rare upon rare, Bill Stevens, a 1930 Ruxton Model C Roadster. I would say 99% of the people in this room have never seen one in their lives and might never again.
Nor have they heard of it either. This is a vehicle that really wasn't around that long. The Ruxton was an elegant, beautifully engineered car. You see how low that the body sits on the chassis. That was one of the things that distinguished the Ruxton. And everything, first rate, all of the construction, the craftsmanship, from the outside, the inside, the interior, the engineering, for the motor and transmission, all as good as anything you could get back in 1930. But again, not a car that had a very long shelf life. It's been in the Cliff Ernst Collection since 1995. 4.4 liter inline straight 8 with a 3-speed manual transmission. That two-tone blue paint job, again, that was scandalous back in 1930. have a car during the Great Depression that looked like it was having such a good time. And whoa, baby, reserve is off.
$800,000 front-wheel drive also on this car. Oh my goodness, look at this. $1 million bid, give $1 million, $1 million bid for that 1930 Ruxton, and that is over and above what the published pre-auction estimate was on this car, Bill.
For a car that few people have even heard of before.
$1,375,000 is bid. Do you want $1,400,000? It's your last and final. $1,450,000. $1,450,000. $1,450,000. Did you want to bid? $1,450,000. $1,400,000. Give $1,450,000. $1,450,000. Thank you for what you did, do, sir. Anybody else? $1,400,000.
Bill, it's standing room only, as people cannot get enough of this car that just sold for $1.4 million.
Hardtop with a rotisserie restoration. It's an original saw lifter 421 V8 4-speed.
$250,000. $250,000. Did you want to pay $250,000?